This tool is mostly designed for architects and structural engineers, mostly structural engineers, who work with a prefabrication. And it allows splitting walls by horizontal or by vertical splits. And how does it look? For example, inside of Revit, there is a functionality, split. This one, there's a split element or split with gap. And for this procedure, let me hide doors and windows. Hide in view. Let's do category. If the user would need to split, he can use this functionality, of course. And let's say here, as an example, I would want to split it in the center of the window. I paste the split. Well, let's do split with a gap. It looks better. It's more visible. Split, split, split. Pretty fast, but I did it inaccurately. Do I know it's in center of window or not? How far is this from center? I would have to create a new view, measure everything, and do the splits exactly at the correct locations. So that would take me, instead of what it took me like 5 seconds now, it would take minutes and minutes of time just for one wall. What do smart walls do? There is a split functionality. And I can choose that for this wall, I want to split it in the center of the opening. 1 second, and the splits will be exactly where I want them to be. Or way more often case that the split has to be in between the openings. So in between the openings. And we know that the split will be exactly in between the openings. We can control the gaps between the walls, how far the split should be from the opening if it needs to be regulated. Everything is configurable, and then just one button click. I want to do splits to show another functionality. It's Decompose Walls. This could be very useful for architects. Walls inside of Revit have different layers. How does it look like? Just like this. There's structure, insulation, some face material. Sometimes when we need to get a schedule of every material used, it can be complicated. We have to collect it from different walls. There is no very easy way inside of Revit. So what we can do is in split walls, there is Decompose Walls functionality. What it does, it splits walls into different layers, and those layers will be as a separate walls. What it means that every separate wall can be put in a schedule, so we know we can create a schedule of gypsum walls, and we will know how much gypsum will be needed for all of the building.